is about the so-called death ramp. Ano ba yung death ramp na ito? The MMDA apologizes for the foul impression that the ramp caused. MMDA Chairman Romando Artes says it was what they could do given their circumstances. He explained that there was a post nearby blocking the way. Artes adds that they had consulted with an architectural firm. Netizens slam authorities for approving an overly steep PWD ramp at the Philam station of EDSA Busway.
Oh, ayan. Very controversial yan at ang dami na mga memes na lumalabas dyan sa ramp na yan. A lot of people are, sinasabi na sana lagyan na lang ng swimming pool yan sa ilalim kasi pwede na siyang slide
Hindi,
for
alam mo,
swimming pool. Ginagawa na lang nilang katatawanan.
Hindi ko rin gusto yung sagot ng MMDA na it's either we do it or we don't. That is a wrong attitude to have in public service kasi ang mandate ng mga public servants is to do their jobs and to do it properly.
Yes.
So if you're going to put up a ramp and you're going to spend taxpayers' money which is supposed to serve the general public, then do it properly. Huwag mo sasabihin, mamili kayo, meron o wala. O kung meron, since kami rin naman nagbabayad nito, gawin mo ng maayos.
Tsaka yung sinasabi na konti lang naman based on their observation ng gumagamit ng area na yan, yung transportation na yan sa MRT, yung mga may tawag dito naka-wheelchair, 'di ba? So it defeats the purpose kasi nga we are all for inclusivity and of course yung accessibility law na dapat talaga yung mga kapatid natin na nasa PWD community meron silang ma-access nila ng yung proper transportation for themselves.
Familiar ako sa location na yan. We've seen that naman because we pass it. We understand yung space na kinakain ng mga poste ng an elevation ng MRT na medyo mahirap nga to follow yung given requirements for accessibility. Pero if hindi nyo pala magagawa ng maayos, huwag nyo muna gawin. Pag-aralan nyo muna
mabuti.
what is the best way to make a ramp that will be naman will be used safely by everyone. Diba? So, tignan nyo, is there another part sa station bandang baba pa na pwede gawin ng rampa or simulan yung yung off-ramp, on-ramp elevation para medyo hindi ganun ka-steep. Number of millimeters lang naman ang pinag-uusapan, di-extend nyo yung distance ng konti. I'm sure naman yung mga PWD natin naka-wheelchair won't mind a longer distance pero not as steep para mas madali ang access nila.
I was also talking to the former NCDA official at sinasabi niya even yung yung flooring hindi rin daw yun appropriate kasi
Tanto?
dating former official ng NCDA sinasabi niya pati daw yung flooring hindi daw yan kumbaga appropriate din. Tsaka yung mga handrails, yung mga ganyan. And of course, sabi naman ng MMDA, magpapadala na lang kami, magbabantay na lang ng mga MMDA personnel din to assist yung mga naka-wheelchair. Pero it defeats the purpose also yung independent living na sinasabi natin para nga dito sa mga kapatid natin na PWD. Alright, sige, hopefully we can talk to someone from the other side of the fence of this, kung ano yung mga nararamdaman nila tungkol dito sa rampa na ito, death ramp, buwis buhay, sabi nga ni Senator Grace po, at marami pang mga kung ano-ano mga pangalan ang ipinangalan dito sa rampa na to. But